Welcome to Global Heroes Podcast, a network of integrated supports and services for BC's youth. Psychiatrist Dr. Steve Mathias knew that young people and families across British Columbia struggle to access health and wellness services, but a radio interview in 2012 confirmed the solution. After Dr. Mathias explained his work with an inner-city youth program in Vancouver, a listener in Salmon Arm called and asked if she could drive her daughter there to receive help. To think that a family was struggling so much to access services that they'd be willing to drive 5 hours each way to drop their daughter off in downtown Vancouver to find support. It was inexcusable. I realized then that, as a province, we needed to take a completely different approach to helping our young people before, during, and after crisis. We needed Foundry. Foundry is a province-wide network of integrated wellness centers for young people ages 12 to 24 and their caregivers. Each Foundry center offers free access to mental health and substance use services, physical and sexual health care, youth and family peer support, and social services without the need for referrals. By bringing all these services together in a single place, Foundry makes it easier for young people and their families to find the care, connection, and support they need and deserve. Between a global pandemic, isolation, employment loss, climate change, the recognition of race inequalities, and in BC, a toxic drug overdose epidemic, access to services is urgently needed. In Canada, an estimated 70% of mental health problems begin during childhood or adolescence. Before the pandemic, 1 in 4 young people aged 15 to 24 reported experiencing mental illness or substance use problems, yet fewer than 25% received appropriate services. Now more than ever, young people and their family members need a place to go where they can feel safe and find the help they need. Foundry's integrated services for youth ages 12 to 24 are offered through a partnership-driven, community-based model. Young people and families can easily access support by walking into a Foundry center, exploring online resources at Foundry.ca, or downloading the new Foundry BC app. Foundry is possible because of donor support, meaningful partnerships with government, youth and family engagement, and collaboration with community organizations. Over the past 7 years, Foundry has brought over 200 organizations together, and growing, to open 11 centers across BC, with an additional 8 centers in development. With Foundry in more communities and unlimited access to virtual services through the downloadable Foundry BC app, young people and families will no longer have to ask, "Where can we go for help?" By removing barriers and increasing access, Foundry is transforming youth health and wellness services across BC so our young people can focus on what matters the most: living a good life. To learn more about how you can support the expansion of Foundry or access its services, please visit foundrybc.ca. Remember to follow us, bookmark our page globalheroes.com, and never miss our heroes making the world a better place one step at a time.